Hi again. In this demo I'll show how to edit brick formations. First, hide bricks for easier editing. Drag edges to edit brick formations. Right-click a face to add a brick formation. Now click points to create a polygon. Finish by right-click. Change the bond type for the selected brick formation. Rotate bricks. Edit brick formation polygon. Delete brick formation by right-clicking or pressing Delete key on your keyboard. Right-click a brick formation to add a recess. Click points to create a polygon. Again, finish by right-click. Edit recess polygon by dragging edges. Or drag vertices. Press Alt key on your keyboard for non-orthogonal edges. Delete recess by right-clicking or pressing Delete key on your keyboard. Some bricks are cut to fit. In this example by 2 mm. Play with joint tolerances to make bricks fit exactly. All actions can be undone or redone. Click these buttons or press Ctrl+Z or Y on your keyboard. Now enjoy CADblanche BrickDesigner.